If your Rand McNally ClearDryve 220 or 200 ear pads are done, here's how to swap them out in under 2 minutes. No tools, no hassle, just a fresh pair of pads and you're back on the road. I'm Jonathan with Central Sound. We specialize in replacement parts for headphones and headsets, and we've helped thousands of customers get their gear back in shape. On the left are our Central Sound replacement ear pads, and these fit the ClearDryve 220 and 200 headset. We have a link down below if you'd like to order a pair. They are a bit larger than the originals. The originals come off very easy. They snap in, so you just want to gently pull them apart from the ear cup. There are clips that hold it in place. Do not throw away the old ear pad. You need to use the mounting ring to install our Central Sound ear pads. And it's very easy to remove the ear pad from the mounting ring. Just gently peel it away from the plastic. Now it is glued on the outside and also the inside, so you're going to have to pull gently here and then also peel away the inside portion of it as well. Once the old ear pad is removed from the retainer ring, we're going to reuse this, and we're going to pull the rim piece from our new Central Sound ear pad, and we're going to pull it over the edge of this ring. So it's fairly simple. You don't need any tools. Just take your time with it, and it goes on pretty easy. If you'd like to put a couple drops of adhesive or super glue on there, you can, but it's not really necessary. And once it's all in place, it's very simple. You would just attach it back to the ear cup and just align the clip with the slots all the way around. You should hear a snapping sound, and just apply pressure all the way around to make sure it's secure to the ear cup. Give it a little tug to make sure it's not loose. And that's pretty much it. Very simple process. We have these ear pads at the link below. Also, I'll have it pinned in the comments. Feel free to grab a pair. We are a small family business based in the United States, and you'll be buying directly from us. They are a bit larger than the stock ear pads, as you can see the comparison. And they're a little more squishy, a little more comfortable as well, and they're soft. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content from us.